To get started using the MAGVIEW SYNC self-aligning phone plate, first download and install the MAGVIEW Gear app from Google Play or the App Store. Using the MAGVIEW Gear app, place your finger over each lens until you identify the lens that is being used by the app. Once identified, open your S1 or S1Mini digiscoping adapter and insert the supplied alignment tool. Attach the self-aligning phone plate to your S1 or S1Mini and center the correct camera lens inside the alignment tool, ensuring the self-aligning phone plate is centered on your phone. Next, remove the adhesive backing and stick the phone plate to your phone, taking special care that the lens is centered in the alignment tool. Press firmly to ensure the adhesive backing is securely attached to your phone or phone case. Finally, install your S1 or S1Mini on your optic using the correct sizing and eye relief spacers. Attach your device using the self-aligning magnets and start capturing the moment with MAGVIEW.